Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So this is episode 3 of Study With Me series, and for this episode I have chosen the subject setting up of a business entities and the closure. Okay, so it is module 1 paper 3. So for this paper 3 I have made 15-day strategy. This paper 3 is divided into this paper 3 is divided into 3 parts. So for part A, it is a setting up of business, which is of 40 marks. Okay, so in this the chapters, as you can see, we have the chapters like 1, 2, 3 till 12. Okay, so we have total 12 chapters in part A. In part B we have registration, license and compliances, which is of 35 marks, and there are chapters like 13, 14, then 15, 16, 17 and 18. And then in part C there are 3 chapters which contains of insolvency, winding up and closure of business, which is of 25 marks. Okay, so it's dormant company, strike off and restoration of name of company and LLP, and corporate insolvency resolution process, liquidation, winding up and overview. Okay, so this is the whole syllabus of setting up a business subject. So this is the paper 3 of module 1. Okay, and for this I have made the 15-day strategy. I hope this strategy will be useful for you, and if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up. So I have made 15-day strategy for setting up business entities and closure subject. Okay, so on day 1 I have allotted chapter 1 and 2. Then on day 2 I have allotted chapter 2 again, since chapter 2 is a big chapter, so I have allotted 2 days. And on day 2 I have also kept chapter 3. So once the chapter 2 will be completed, you can go for chapter 3. And for chapter 3 there are 2 parts, so on day 2 you can opt for the part 1. Then if the part 1 will not get completed on day 2, then you can opt day 3 for chapter 3 part 1, and then on the same day you can complete chapter 3 part 2. For day 4 I have allotted chapter 4, 5 and 6. On day 5 I have allotted chapter 7 and chapter 8. For day 6 chapter 9, chapter 10. For day 7 chapter 11, chapter 12. For day 8 chapter 13. Now again chapter 13 is a big chapter, so I have allotted 2 days for chapter 13. So day 8 and day 9 is for chapter 13. Then for day 10 we have chapter 14, 15, 16. Okay, again these chapters are small chapters, so you will be able to complete it in one day. So for day 10 I have allotted 3 chapters. For day 11 I have allotted chapter 17. It is a big chapter, so I have allotted 2 days for the same. So day 11 will be for chapter 17, day 12 also for chapter 17, and once chapter 17 will be completed on day 12, so for the same day I have allotted chapter 19. Okay, and then on day 13 chapter 18 and 20. And for day 14 I have allotted chapter 21, the last chapter of the subject, and the left out topics on day 14 and then day 15. Okay, so this is the timetable for the setting up of business subject. I hope this will be useful for you. So it is 15 days strategy. Okay, and in this 15 days you have to complete your module as well as your scanners. I hope you like this video. So I will mention the link of the preceding videos of the series in the description box below. Make sure to check it out, and if you like this series, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with everyone, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. We'll meet you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.